Hello, follow along as I read the poem. You can whisper read if you'd like. In like a lion, out like a lamb. March roars in like a lion, so fierce. The wind so cold it seems to pierce. The month rolls on, and spring draws near, and March goes out like a lamb, so dear. Remember yesterday as you were watching, you learned that this poem is about March, our month, and the seasons. In the beginning, it's cold and it's a rough, tough month like a lion. And then when March leaves, we have spring. And just like a little lamb, everyone's excited that spring's here because the nice weather has come. All right, now it's your turn to read the poem. Follow along as I read. You're going to repeat after me. Remember to actually turn your voice on. That's the only way you're going to become a better reader. In like a lion. Out like a lamb. March roars in like a lion. So fierce. The wind so cold, it seems to pierce. The month rolls on, and spring draws near. And March goes out like a lamb, so dear. All right, now your job is to illustrate the poem. Think about what does spring look like, or what did you do in March? Were you dressed for the cold weather, or did we have some sunshine and it warmed up? In the spring, the flowers start to bloom and it gets nice out again. So illustrate using and do your very best work. Once you've finished, you can read to self. Today, you have to write 3 more words each with the DR and SPR blends. DR says draw. Can you think of a draw word? Draw, like draws. Draw. Oh, after gym, you like to get a drink. DRINK. Drink, draw. Drum. In music, you play the drum. Some of you in here like to play basketball and you dribble a basketball. Dribble. I have to drive to work every day. Drive. Some people in here's family members drive a bus. Is that you? Think of 3 DR words. Now, SPR says spra, like spring. SPR words were hard for me to think of, but I came up with a few, like spring, spray. I spray my hair with hairspray in the morning. What do you spray? Do you spray water out of a hose? How about another SPR word? In the summer, I like to run in the sprinkler, ink. Oh, look at ink. Sprinkler, ER says sprinkler. Spray, sprinkler, sprain. Sometimes people sprain their arm or their leg or their ankle, and that means they really hurt it. They sprain it. Or how about spread, like your bedspread, or you spread jelly on your sandwich. Or maybe Mr. Tomberlin will tell you to sprint to the wall. That means run really fast. Make sure you write 3 DR and SPR words. Do your best.